I'm going to show you what's left of the cab that was cut off from the dozer. Thing got pretty messed up. Luckily no one was injured, so that's a win. See, the cab was just kind of cut off just to get it to work a little bit. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys the frame that I pre-made for the truck. We got the welding rig here. We have some new metal there. This is the frame. It's pretty damn heavy. I just have to grind some of these welds. I use some 71M Lincoln dual shield wire. That thing is pretty awesome. It's like the equivalent of a 7018, and it is strong as hell. Okay, I'll take another video once I got everything tacked in place. Thanks for watching.